Are you wondering why you're always struggling with money? You're about to discover 15 reasons why. We're diving deep and unearthing truths that might be uncomfortable, but are necessary for change. Brace yourself and prepare to confront the hard truths. Reason number 1, you're not managing your money right. It's a simple truth that's often overlooked. Like a ship without a compass, without proper money management, you're bound to hit financial icebergs. So, what does it mean to manage your money right? Firstly, budgeting. It's like a roadmap for your finances. Without it, you're driving blind, and that's a risky business. Secondly, saving. It's not just about putting money aside, it's about self-discipline. It's about resisting that impulse buy, that shiny new gadget, and thinking long-term. Thirdly, investing. Money left idle loses value over time thanks to inflation. Investing helps your money grow even while you sleep. But beware, common financial mistakes like living beyond your means, ignoring debts, and neglecting retirement savings can lead you down a path of financial ruin. Start treating your finances like a business, and you'll see a change. Second reason, lack of financial education. This isn't something many of us were taught in school, yet it's a fundamental part of our lives. Just imagine, you're navigating a maze without a map or instructions. That's what it's like trying to manage your money without financial literacy. It's like giving a teenager the keys to a car without any driving lessons. Sure, they might eventually figure out how to drive, but not without a few bumps and scrapes along the way. Financial education is your roadmap to money management. It equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions, helps you understand the difference between assets and liabilities, and teaches you about the power of compound interest. Without this knowledge, you're likely to make poor financial decisions that can lead to debt, money mismanagement, and missed opportunities to grow your wealth. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Thirdly, an ineffective money mindset is holding you back. The way you perceive money plays a significant role in how you handle it. If you believe that money is the root of all evil, or that it's unattainable, you're setting yourself up for financial failure. These limiting beliefs about money are more common than you may think, and they can be subtle, deeply ingrained, and damaging. Let's bust some of these myths. Money is not evil. It's a tool that can provide comfort, security, and opportunities. And it's certainly not out of reach. Regardless of your current situation, you can change your financial trajectory. Start by challenging your beliefs about money. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Understand that money is not a scarce resource, but abundant. Believe in your ability to earn, save, and invest. Shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. This change won't happen overnight, but with time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your financial status. Change your mindset, change your financial destiny. Fourth reason, you're afraid to take risks. Now, let's talk about fear. It's a powerful emotion that can keep us in our comfort zones, away from financial growth. The world's most successful individuals didn't get there by playing it safe. They took calculated risks. They invested, they started businesses, they stepped into the unknown. You see, fear is not the enemy. It's a sign that we're stepping out of our comfort zones where growth happens. But how do you overcome this fear? Start small, invest a little, learn a little. As you gain confidence, take bigger steps. Surround yourself with individuals who have been there, who have taken the risks and reaped the rewards. Remember this, every successful person has lost at some point, but they didn't let that stop them. They learned, they grew, they risked again, because they knew one truth that you need to understand: no risk, no reward. Reason number 5, you lack clear financial goals and plans. Now, it's essential to understand that financial success isn't an accident. It's the result of deliberate actions shaped by clear goals and planning. You see, without goals, you're like a ship sailing aimlessly with no destination in sight. And without a plan, you're like a builder trying to construct a house without a blueprint. So how do you set effective financial goals? Start by envisioning your financial future. What do you want to achieve? Is it financial independence, a comfortable retirement, or perhaps a debt-free life? Once you've identified your goals, it's time to create a plan. This should be a step-by-step roadmap detailing how you'll reach your goals. It could involve saving a certain amount each month, investing wisely, or cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Remember, the difference between those who achieve financial success and those who don't often comes down to having clear goals and a concrete plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Now that you know the reasons, it's time to make a change. We've taken a deep dive into the 15 reasons that may be keeping you tethered to a cycle of financial instability. It's not a comfortable realization, but it is a necessary one. Each of these reasons, from money mismanagement and lack of financial education to an ineffective money mindset, fear of taking risks and lack of goals and planning, has a potential solution. The power to break free from these chains resides within you. Let's recap. Money mismanagement is often the root cause of financial instability. By setting a budget and sticking to it, you can regain control of your finances. The lack of financial education is no longer an insurmountable barrier. With the vast resources available online, you can educate yourself about financial matters. An ineffective money mindset can be transformed by understanding the value of money and using it as a tool for growth. Fear of taking risks can be overcome by taking calculated financial risks and learning from the outcomes. And lastly, lack of goals and planning can be addressed by defining clear financial goals and crafting a plan to achieve them. The journey towards financial freedom isn't easy, but it's worth the effort. It requires discipline, persistence, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards are immense. Imagine a life where you're not constantly worried about money, where you can afford the things you need and want, where you can provide for your loved ones without stress. You have the capability to change your financial destiny. The first step is acknowledging these reasons and then taking action to overcome them. Don't let these 15 reasons define your financial future. Take action now and start your journey towards financial freedom. You have the power to change your fate.